Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start on the console itself. This is the only reliable path. Power on your Xbox Series X and sign in with the profile tied to the console. Once signed in, navigate to Settings, then System, then Console Info. This screen holds the identifiers you need. Make sure to have a phone or notepad ready. Don't rely on memory. Once done, write down the console ID and serial number exactly as shown, because you'll use them in the next step. Now extract the console ID carefully from the console info screen. Read the long alphanumeric string aloud as you copy it, because similar characters often get misread. Once copied, verify each character. Zeros, capital O, ones and lowercase l look similar. Confirm dashes and length. Take a clear photo for backup, then paste or type the console ID into whatever portal or form requested. If you need the console ID for device registration or support, make sure the target system accepts the exact string. Finish by entering the console ID into the destination system, then confirm the submission succeeded. If the portal rejects the ID, don't guess, reopen console info and recheck every character against your photo and notes. Once corrected, resubmit. If problems persist, gather the console ID and serial number and contact Xbox support. Provide both strings and the account used. That single troubleshooting tip. Verify each character.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.